Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application. And you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, right here at the right side, we have transparency mode, what's called awareness. So you need to put at least one your earbud to your ear, and then tap at your this transparency mode. And we can right now enable or disable voice mode. So to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it. If the slider have empty background, we enable it. What this mode do? It enhances human voice, so it making conversation more clearer. But for me, I don't hear any different with enabled or disabled. So I don't know, but maybe it's just problem with me. So to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider near to it. But if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!